lot bigger than it looks when you're on the road.
Yeah, it does.
39 feet.
Woo!
Alright, kids, come on back.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah. Go for it. Woohoo!
Let me get
Am I going over here?
Alright, guys, good. Sit all the way down on the boat. Legs straight out in front of you. Oh. Just make sure to stay up on your legs.
Okay.
Hold on right here. Anywhere below the metal, don't touch the clips.
Okay.
So he's got your thing on?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's on.
Nice.
When you get out there, you
Oh.
let go, okay?
No, it's off.
Well, it's
off.
okay,
Is it?
yeah, that back string will go to sleep.
Okay.
Still on in the morning.
Okay.
You gotta mess with it. But once you get up there, but you let go. It's safe. You don't have to hang on, okay?
Okay.
Relax. There we go.
Woo! Oh man! Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is awesome! Woo! So pretty! Oh my god! I can't believe we're doing this! Oh. Woo! OMG. Hey.
Hey.
Woo!
Find some roads. Bridge and back.
Oh gosh. Woo!
Going up. Dude. Woo! I can't believe we're up here.
I know.
This is so cool.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Feels like a giant swing.
Babe, put it right there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know.
There's something right there in the water.
Yeah?
Look, behind you.
Where?
Look.
Maybe, I can't. Whoa. That's scary. Oh my gosh.
We're going higher. Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
Oh. Look at the water, dude. Oh my. Look, something right there.
Heck yeah. Woo! OMG. Oh my god. Woo!
What is that? Shark!
Whoa!
Shark!
I see it. Whoa!
Shark! Shark!
Woo! Oh my gosh. Jazz would be so scared.
Shark right next to the
Yeah.
Yep, seen a shark. Seen 2 sharks. Oh. What is this? Whoa. What the heck is that? That's a group of something. Look, another shark.
Where?
Look, right below us.
I can't.
The shark.
Woo!
Schools of fish. Oh, no. Another shark. That's 5. What are we doing not doing it? That tips are greatly appreciated.
Woo! We love you! Oh my god! Oh my god! Can't believe we're up here. Whew.
Holy crap. This is so freaking cool. This is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Coming in.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh. You reeling us down?
Yep, we're coming down. Whee! We're going back up. Whoa! What the? Are we coming in there?
I don't know what we're doing.
Whoa, dude. Come close to the water, bro. This is awesome. Everybody's got to come and do this. This is awesome. Sun Dog Parasail. Woo!
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
We're going back up.
That's awesome. Oh, pretty.
Look at that. I've never seen it like this. This is awesome.
Whoa.
We are going up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Going up. This is cool, dude. This is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Wish we would did this a long time ago.
Yeah.
We are some high up here.
Woo!
We're going out. We're gonna see the sharks again.
Woo!
That's so pretty over there.
Yeah. Whoa.
Coming in. I don't think so.
Whoa. You going down?
Dude, that is awesome.
Will we just land on our butt?
Huh? Well, you're probably gonna dip us.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yippee! That was awesome. We'll let that roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
Oh, he's dipping us. Oh gosh.
We're in shark territory.
God. Oh yeah.
We got dipped. Woo!
That was so cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, Justin Carey.
It's awesome.
That was
Good.
awesome. We seen 5 sharks.
Yep.
Little black tip, they're black tips. You can tell because the fins are real pointed, but you'll see them swimming by themselves. We saw a lot of dolphin and a lot of fish.